Those who carry responsibility rely on the best material available. Plan with the future in mind and leave nothing to chance. Anyone who carries responsibility will accept no compromises if it comes to safety. egeplast is a developer of pipe systems which provide planners in charge with uncompromising safety. The egeplast SLM DCT is a protective layer pipe providing quality monitoring and localization options. Pipe rehabilitation and trenchless installation subject the pipe to a significant risk of getting damaged by shards and sharp-edged bits of stone. Both the planner and the operator will not be aware of any damage that might have occurred, thus having the possibility to verify the intactness of the pipe by electrical continuity testing with the help of the integrated conductor strips means maximum safety for the full service life of the pipe system. If the electrical current is flowing, the pipe is intact. During the manufacturing process, 2 independent conductor strips are wrapped around the PE100 RC pressure pipe, following assessment of its compliance with the applicable standards and regulations and quality inspection. Only then, the additional protective layer made of PE+ is extruded onto the pipe surface. This protective cover reliably protects the inner pipe against damage. Although trenchless installation methods offer tremendous ecological and economic advantages, potential damage to the new pipeline unfortunately can never be ruled out completely. Every operator, however, strives to operate a secure, tested pipe system in its network. Our SLM DCT, like all of our pipe systems, is thoroughly inspected prior to leaving our factory. Moreover, it provides the option to verify the integrity of the pipes, even following trenchless installation, based on a simple continuity check. Furthermore, the integrated conductor strips make it possible to locate the pipe at any time. Maximum safety, complete control, and optimized total costs. Seek our individual professional advice. Our experts will be happy to support you in planning your construction project. egeplast. Pipe systems safeguarding future generations.